we're going to make you fish cake. I use salmon. As you know that salmon, see the texture? Salmon is different from different fishes. And this is like the color is orange. When you cook it, it has a pink, nice color and it tastes lovely. And we have sweet potatoes. I cook them, mash them, make it ready for the fish cake. As you know, sweet potato is also very healthy, Daria. It has lots of iron and it's very good for binding the fish cake, the ingredients together. Okay, and what we have here, this is dill with, dry dill with. This is spring onions chopped and ready. This is fresh pepper, breadcrumbs and flour, and what is that? That's the egg. Yes, let's start to make the fish cakes, Daria. I have a big bowl, as you see, and we're going to add first the salmon. And we're going to add the sweet potato. That's it, yeah. You want to add the dill with inside?
How much should I put in?
Put all.
Okay.
Okay. It gives away the smell of the fish. And put the pepper, spring onions.
How much pepper?
Depends on half of it, I think. It's nice when it's spicy. We're going to add some salt. Okay, great. And now mix them all together. I think that's enough. We keep it aside. And now we have to whisk the egg.
Can I crack the egg?
Yes, do it. Now I have the fork for you to whisk it. Yes.
Should I put the whole egg in?
Yes, yes, put the whole, please. You did it beautifully. Whisk this, Daria.
Okay.
Remember, always you have to hold the plate or the bowl when you whisk. Okay, this is all ready. Okay, now we have the frying pan here. Turn on the gas. Daria, can I have the ingredients, please, next to Mommy?
With madam, with.
We have to wait until the oil gets hot enough because we're going to put the mixture in and fry the both sides. Now we take amount of fish cake out of this mixture. Then, if you don't want it, Mama, can you open this, please? If you don't want the mixture get sticky to your hand, you can add some oil. Make your
Mommy, can I
hand oily.
make the...
Yes, watch this. Then you put it like that.
Oh.
Then put it first to the flour,
Mom, will you help me
then
make
to the
right
egg,
shape?
and then to the
Up in
breadcrumb.
here. Very fishy.
Roll it here.
Fishy.
That's great. Then transfer it to the pan. Now put it in a flour first.
Oh, I think it's gonna break.
It will bond it together. Give it to Mommy. I'm gonna put it in the frying pan. That was
I'm
not
gonna
bad.
go wash my hands.
Yes, go and wash your hands. Now we need to check if it's ready or not to turn it over. Yes. Daria, come and look.
Ooh.
Mmm. Look, it's golden and nice. Okay, Daria, smell. Oh, be careful, your hands get burned. What do you think?
I think it's really good.
I
Dahlia's
told you.
stamp of approval.
Told you. I think I have to make more of these fish cakes for her. They are ready. We can transfer it. Now we transfer it to this side. Daria, come with Mommy. And then, Daria, would you please put some tissues here? Okay, the fish cakes are ready. Now, Daria, would you please go and get some lettuce for me from the fridge, please?
Okay, Captain.
Okay, that's my girl. I bring the lunchbox out. Now we put the fish cakes inside. Look, so nice, huh? Now we have to garnish the fish cakes. You can put anything you wish, cucumber, tomatoes. We put some carrots and coriander. There, you want to put it? Yeah, just put
Around it?
Yeah,
You can
like that. Some corianders. And we need to put other stuff here. For the other stuff, I want to give you a very special task to do.